Number 1.
1993 Chevrolet 2500, price $4,500. This truck has 155,000 miles and is equipped with a reliable 5.7L V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive, delivering strong and consistent performance. The truck runs perfectly with no mechanical issues and has been well maintained. It features a white exterior with a clean gray interior, both in excellent condition. The air conditioning blows cold, the heater works great, and power windows add to everyday comfort. For modern convenience, the truck is equipped with Bluetooth audio, tinted windows, and an aftermarket car alarm system. The tires are in great condition, and a toolbox is included in the bed, making it practical for work or daily use.
Overall, this is a clean, dependable truck inside and out, ready for its next owner. Number 2.
1978 GMC Sierra, price $10,000. It has approximately 100,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a tan exterior paired with a black interior and runs on gasoline. The truck is powered by a rebuilt 350 V8 engine matched with a freshly rebuilt turbo 350 automatic transmission, making it reliable for daily driving. All gauges are fully functional, and the vehicle is currently driven every day. It is an air-conditioned truck, however, it will need a new condenser.
All AC components are present and properly connected.
Overall, this Sierra is a solid, well-maintained classic truck with dependable mechanical condition.
Number 3.
1988 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,000, powered by a 5.7L 350 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission and has 109,000 original miles. Finished in a gold exterior with a tan interior, the truck has had 3 previous owners and remains largely original. It comes equipped with an undercover hardtop bed cover and features an upgraded audio system, including a radio conversion, an amplifier, and all new speakers. The bench seat is in good overall condition, with some visible cracking on the passenger side consistent with age. The truck does show some typical wear, including rust on the driver's side cab corner and minor rust on the rear fender. It leaks a small amount of oil, which is common for older Chevrolet trucks, and a new oil pressure sending unit is scheduled to be installed to address this. The transmission was replaced approximately 2 to 3 years ago, adding to the vehicle's reliability.
Number 4.
2001 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,500, powered by a reliable 5.3L V8 gasoline engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive. The truck has approximately 156,000 miles and features a red exterior with a clean black interior. It is in great overall condition and comes with a clean Texas title. This vehicle is fully road-ready and drives exceptionally well, offering a comfortable ride that feels almost like new. The air conditioning blows cold, the heater works as it should, and the truck is equipped with good tires all around.
Mechanically, it has been well maintained and shows no issues.
There is a minor scratch on the side, but it is purely cosmetic and does not affect performance in any way.
Number 5.
1988 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,750, with 225,000 miles on the odometer.
It features a manual transmission, a 4.3L V6 engine, and a 2-wheel drive setup.
The truck comes in a red exterior paired with a matching red interior. It runs and drives well and holds a clean title. The vehicle has been professionally lowered, sitting approximately 3 inches lower in the front using lowering springs and 6 inches lower in the rear with an axle flip kit, giving it a lowered stance. It is equipped with new front and rear shocks, 4 new tires, and a new roll-up bed cover. Recent mechanical updates include a new fuel tank, fuel pump, tank straps, filler neck hose, and fuel filter, along with a new battery. Additional upgrades include new tail lights with updated wiring, new LED license plate lights, and new headlight housings.
Number 6.
1998 Chevy Cheyenne, price $5,500. This truck is in solid condition and has received numerous recent updates. It comes equipped with 4 new tires and features new headlights and taillights for improved visibility. The engine has been refreshed with new spark plugs and wires, along with a new distributor cap, rotor, ignition coil, and crank sensor to ensure reliable performance. The drivetrain has also been serviced with 2 new U-joints and a new slip yoke. Inside, the interior has been steam cleaned and fitted with a new headliner, giving the cabin a cleaner and fresher feel. The truck includes a steering wheel lock club for added security, as well as a durable rubber bed liner. Looney Tunes floor mats add a unique and fun touch to the interior, making the Cheyenne both practical and distinctive.
Number 7.
1992 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,000. This truck runs great and is powered by a gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. The truck shows approximately 232,000 miles on the body, while the replacement engine, installed by a dealership with the original motor, has only about 35,000 miles on it. It features a burgundy exterior matched with a burgundy interior, giving it a clean and classic look. Over the past year, it has received a full tune-up along with several upgrades, including a new radio, LED headlights and taillights, a new battery, replacement door panels, a new exhaust system, a cold air intake, and a new fuel filter. The air conditioning is fully functional, and both the engine and transmission are in good working condition, making this truck reliable and well-maintained for its age. Number 8. 1994 Ford F-150, price $3,000, powered by a 5.0L V8 gasoline engine with an automatic transmission and 242,000 miles. It has a black exterior with a red interior and includes a locking toolbox, side steps, and a rubber bedliner. The truck has been driven regularly, about 500 miles per week, and has made multiple trips to Dallas and Austin without issues, showing it has been very dependable. It is being sold because the owner needs a newer truck with a back seat for work and family use. It starts and idles fine, but after recent shop work it now stalls when put into gear. A mechanic suspects a bad PCM, so a trailer is recommended. The hood, tailgate, and interior door latches need repair, but all can still be opened manually.
Number 9.
1994 GMC 1500, price $5,000. It features a white exterior and a 5.0-liter engine with headers that starts, drives, and stops well. Recent maintenance includes a new distributor, fuel filter, and a repaired exhaust leak, along with a Z-Lock security system. The truck comes with oversized wheels with good tread, a wood-grain steering wheel, a Bluetooth stereo, a toolbox, and extra parts such as the original exhaust manifold and an extra bumper. As an older truck, it has some typical wear. The interior needs a deep clean, the headliner was removed for starlights, and there is a minor headlight and dash light issue that should be an easy fix. The differential slips slightly in reverse but functions fine otherwise. It is registered through next year, though it will need a smog certificate.
Number 10.
1996 Chevrolet 2500, price $4,500, with 211,000 miles and an automatic transmission. It features a tan exterior paired with a matching interior, giving it a classic and clean look. The truck runs well and drives as it should, though it could benefit from a routine tune-up and new front brakes. Several important components have recently been replaced, including the power steering pump, radiator, alternator, AC compressor, which currently needs to be recharged, exterior lights, and grille. With many new parts already installed and more work already done than can easily be listed, this Chevrolet 2500 represents a strong value for someone looking for a dependable full-size truck with room for improvement.